Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Melanie. I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. And thank you if you are a brand new subscriber. Thank you to all my new subscribers. This video is going to give you a lot of values because this video is 10 small businesses for women. These are really good small business ideas. We want to start the new year fresh. We want to start the new year with a side hustle or a small business or something that's going to create another income stream for us. So let's get into this video. Number one is Starbucks personally designed cups. So I'm on Etsy right here. We're gonna jump into my screen, and right here I have a seller who is selling cups for $20, personalized cups. So she orders them in bulk, decorates them for, you know, whatever your name is, whatever design you want. Like you can get beige, pink, red, all these different colors. You can get your name in those colors, and then you put your name, and then it's 20 bucks. And there's a lot of other sellers on Etsy. Like here's another one that costs another $20. Personalized cups, everything like happy birthday cups, and then they can be personalized as well. Another seller. So there's a lot of sellers on Etsy that have the Starbucks cup, the plastic Starbucks cups, and they're selling them for $15 to $20. Now, this market you might feel is saturated, but if you have a unique design, you're still gonna get sales because this is a popular sale item. This is a popular thing to do. So like I said, when we start our side hustles, we don't need for them to make $8 million a year the first year. We are just trying to figure out how we can work from home and how the side hustle can be lucrative, like how it can bring in some money. So let's move on to number two. Okay, number two is soap making. So handmade soap, sell this on Etsy. It doesn't have to be Etsy. Like I said, it can be your Shopify store or any online store that you have, but I'm just on Etsy to show you guys how much everybody else is charging and the variety. So let's jump into the screen. So these are some of the handmade soaps. This person's charging $8.44 for just one bar. This person's charging $7. This person has a sale on their soap sampler. This soap is $6.44. So I'm just gonna click on this just to give an idea of how much you can make just from making the soap. So it says in demand, 34 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So 24 hours, 34 people just bought this in one day for $6.44 because she has it on sale for 25% off. That is, so this is roughly 34 people times her price that she's selling it for right now. That's $218. And I don't know what she's doing with free shipping, like depending on how much that person orders, but this is around $200 just from selling the soap to 34 people. This is not a side hustle to sneeze at, but this is a side hustle that you can say, I'm gonna set up my Etsy store, I'm gonna do the handmade soap, I'm gonna hand make all the soap, and then when somebody orders it, I'm gonna ship it. As simple as that. Now, there's a lot of people selling handmade soap on here, so you might not be the most popular one to start out, but you're gonna make some money on this side hustle. Okay, number three is candle making. Homemade candles, and then sell the homemade candles. Or you can do an online course, put that on Udemy or Skillshare, make money from your online course, and then sell the candles as well. But I'm gonna jump into my screen here and show you a YouTube, like there's a lot of YouTube shorts about how to make candles and different things like that. So you can learn how to make candles for free and then put your own spin on it, put your own design on it. And then I'm gonna jump into the Etsy page that I just typed in, homemade candles, and then they have all of these candles that these people put in these nice, pretty tin packages, glass candles. They have some in the glass with the little cork at the top. All of these are really cute. They're selling for between $10. This one's $12. These teeny candles are $3. So if this sounds like something that you would do and you would hand make, definitely think about turning this into your small business. You can do this from home. You can make all the candles from home. You can ship them from your house. You can set up an Etsy store, take the photos, put it up on Etsy, and then enter the competition because this is a competitive market. You see all of these Etsy sellers are on here selling candles, but it doesn't have to stop there. You could sell the Starbucks cups and you could sell the other two things that I talked about, the soap and the candles. So you could have 3 or 4 Etsy stores, and that could be the side hustle that you focus on growing into your business. Number 4 is personalized gift boxes or gift bundles. So people would be paying you so that you could have a gift box, put all the goodies in it, and then ship it to whoever they order it for. So you could do birthdays, you could do bundles for spring cleaning, you could do summer fun bundles for children or for moms, anything like that. So right now I'm on U Printing, which is the place that you can, this is not sponsored by the way, but you can order your personalized boxes from there. So say you want to just start out with 100 boxes that say whatever you're calling your bundle company. So you order the boxes from there. They ship it to you. These are all different kind of boxes here. You can put, it says design your own packaging. And then you order the boxes, put your company name on it or somebody's, like Millie's spring cleaning bundle. And that's what you package it as. And again, you could sell it on Etsy or your Shopify store or sell it in person whenever you go to your son's basketball game or soccer game. Bring about 5 of them and let the other parents see this is what I sell. And this is not a difficult business, but you do have to be organized and you do have to figure out what you want to start selling first. So like I said, you could do the springtime bundle. Spring is coming up. Winter is pretty much, it's December. I'm filming this in December, but it's going to be January when it comes out. But winter time is pretty much over. So you can get on the ball and start setting up your advertising on Etsy for the spring cleaning boxes or something like that. But just think about the, I'm just giving you ideas to think about what you want to do, a list of 10 small businesses. Okay, before we get into number 5, if you guys like this content so far and it's helping you out, go ahead and click that like button down below. Go ahead and subscribe because I am going to have more content like this. And I have a question. I love Crocs. I was looking at my daughter's Crocs and I don't know what these are called. I call them Ghiblies, but that's not what they're called because I Googled it and that didn't come up. If anybody knows what these little thingies are called in the shoe, then definitely let me know. Next, let's go to number 5. Number 5 is hand painted totes. So if you know how to paint and you like painting, then definitely check this one out. I also have the next one, which would be totes bags that are printed. So like print on demand tote bags, but the hand painted totes are really unique because it's not on demand, obviously, but you could have groups of different hand painted bags. Like these are for teachers. These are for people who make candles, or these are for people who go to book clubs. So I would, when you do something with a bag, try to focus on what the person is going to put in the bag. So if it's groceries, then put like vegetables on it, hand-painted vegetables, and everybody would order it and be like, this is going to be my grocery bag. Okay, so let's jump into the screen. And these are some hand-painted bags so this is what I mean. Like Mrs. Wilson, this is a little $4.90 hand-painted bag. You can probably take this to an art class. Or this one right here, you can probably take this $30 flower hand-painted tote. You can probably take it to your gardening thing, your gardening event, or whatever it is. But these are really good hand-painted totes. Now, on the other end, if you don't know how to hand paint anything and you're not good at that just yet, I did pull up and look at some print-on-demand totes that are really good. Like these kind of totes, this $28 custom boat tote bag, it's canvas tote. These are really sturdy. Now that we have to use mesh bags or tote bags or non-plastic bags for groceries, because I think all over the place in January 1st of 2024, we stopped using plastic bags. So like Target, Walmart, all the big grocery stores and all the things, no more plastic bags. So everybody started to buy tote bags for all their stuff. So that was a really good time to get into selling tote bags, but this is still a good time because people need them for more than what they were using them for before. Now we need them to go to the store. So definitely focus on something that is dedicated to one type of group. So that one was dedicated to people that get on their boat. This one can be, it says a bridesmaid tote bag, but people can use it even after the wedding because it's a tote bag. It's not a plastic bag. Think about things where you can get a tote bag, order it from your manufacturer for maybe 50 of them because you want to see if this sells, if it works out, and then do the print on demand orders on Etsy like that. So definitely a really good business model. You see that it's already successful. I'm not saying you have to be the most successful to make money, but remember, we want things that are not a low barrier of entry, because what if we miss the mark and it's not something that people are demanding and we make no money? But we want something that's not a whole lot of competition, but we do want something that's kind of in the middle. Maybe we can make $200 a day, like that one example. Maybe we can make $400 a day, or maybe we make just $100 a day, but it's more money than zero. So definitely think about that, and let's move on to the next one. Okay, number 6 is hand painted mirrors. So if you're creative and you can paint on a mirror and sell those either on Etsy or at like a flea market, or I would sell them in person because they're mirrors, but there are ways to ship mirrors. So you can do the hand painted mirrors. It's really popular, but you would have to know how to market them and how many you can do. So this is just really fun. If you're a creative person and you love to do things like this is a good time to do it. You can sell them on Etsy, or you can sell them at a flea market. Number 7 is make your own lip gloss. So make the lip gloss, sell it on Etsy, or sell it in your Shopify store, or sell it anywhere. But this is really good because you can go 2 ways. You can make the lip gloss and then sell it, or you can have lip gloss kits where you can put everything together and all the varieties that they would need to make their own lip gloss at home, and you could sell them in bundles for a party. So say you have a party of 30 people, you would sell 30 of those little packs of lip gloss making kits for that birthday party or for whatever party it is. But I went to Etsy, and these are some of the lip glosses that are for sale. And just to kind of give you an idea of the average pricing, $6, $8, $5, $50. This is for the kit, but this is a good idea because if you have, like I said, a party, then people would buy the kit and make their own as a little event. But these are really unique containers for the lip gloss, so this is a good way to stand out. So like this person right here, they have what looks like these are like little juice boxes with the stickers on it, but it's really lip gloss, and they sell this for $7.50, and it says it's in 16 people's carts. So there's potential to make a good amount of money here if you have some ideas and you can be unique with it. And it's not going to be passive, but it is something that you could do where you could work from home, because this item is not big. You could order them, store them in your home. When it's purchased, go out and ship it. This is what these Etsy sellers are doing. Number 8, scrunchy makeup headband bundle. So this is a very popular makeup headband. It's all over social media. You can pair them with scrunchies. It doesn't have to be this exact one because this one is already out there being sold a lot, but just to give you some ideas of what kind of things you can pair with the makeup scrunchie so that people know that they're getting a little bit more when they order yours. Whether you go the route of selling it on Amazon or if you sell it on Etsy. Etsy has a little bit of a more unique variety. They even have ones where you can personalize the headband. So this would be like a bridesmaid's headband and it has their names on it. And these little bunny ones, this has their name on it too. And then you can also, this one you can get a bundle of them, or no, it's that headband, the one that's $8.50. You can sell them each for $8.50. So jumping back in, this is a variety of headbands, like makeup headbands with the scrunchies. I'm seeing a lot of makeup headbands alone and nothing else. So you could go a different route by doing the makeup headbands with a scrunchie, with a makeup sponge, with one of the little facial exfoliating silicone things. And that could be a bundle that you sell all together to stand out. Like this person, they have girls from 3 to 7 years old. It's a gift box and it's $65. A unicorn gift box. And they've been on Etsy for a while because they've got 153 reviews. So they've made at least 153 sales. This is a really good bundle to put together. It does not cost $65 to put this together, but that's what she's charging in order to sell it here to her customers. So this is a really good idea because as a customer, if I ordered this, I would feel like I'm getting a lot of stuff for this birthday party gift bundle thing. I'm getting more than 10 items. So think of it that way. When you want to stand out, put some more stuff, make it a bundle so that you can stand out, so you can give your customer some variety. And number 9, really quick, if you're getting value from this video so far, go ahead and click that like button. It helps out my channel. But let's get into number 9. So number 9, I typed into Etsy spring gift box. So this came up, spring gift boxes. So little ideas like a relaxation, stress relief, aromatherapy gift box. So it has candles, it looks like it has a lip balm, a soap, a bath bomb, all these little different things. This one, warm and cozy gift box with a blanket. So this has a blanket adds a little bit more to it. That's why she can charge $50 for this one. If you keep going down, there's so many different type of gift boxes. Think about it. People order these for gifts for birthdays, for anniversaries, for get well soon, for I'm sorry for your loss, for all these different reasons. People could order your gift box because it's not specific to one event. Definitely look into this if this is the type of small business that you want to do, if you want to sell these kind of things on Etsy. This one is a sending a hug gift box. So it kind of looks like a wellness box where you have the honey and you have a mug so you can make some tea. There's some tea right here. It has a little crochet bumblebee thing. Just get creative. Etsy is a place where you can get creative, and if you have your own Shopify store, you can definitely do whatever it is that you want to do. I think a lot of times we worry about, well, how much money am I going to make right away? How much is this going to be a return on my investment? But if you're selling these, like for example, these bundles, the highest one here on this page looks like it's $70.20. If you're making these, it doesn't cost as much as you are charging to sell it. So even if you sell 2 in one day, or even if you sell 1 in a whole 7 days, this is still money in your pocket. Obviously, we want to sell more than 1 a week, but as you stay on Etsy and you grow and you have your stuff on your own personal website, or start telling people, or sometimes you can put it on your social media, definitely look for creative ways where you can advertise your own product, and look for creative ways where you can sell and bundle and do different things. Okay, number 10, this is my last one. This one is a digital product. So I'm specifically going to talk to you about planners today because planners are fun. I think planners are fun, but let's jump into, I typed in digital planner into Etsy just to see what kind of bundles they had and what they were offering and what kind of prices were here. So I'm just gonna look at this one. It says all-in-one digital bundle. And this one says, okay, so right now there's a 5-day sale. It's $4.99. Usually it's $16.63. And she's selling 50,000 stickers, 150 covers, 200 templates, 800 pages, 48 notebooks, 4 themes, and 4 weekly like kind of layout things. So this took her some time to put together, and this is something that the person buying it has to go and print on their own. That's why she's selling it for just $5. Or sometimes she sells it for $16. But anyway, it says this product is in demand. 110 people have bought this product in the last 24 hours. So this means that she sold the downloads and the PDF file with all this in it. And then whoever bought it went to the print place, or they printed it at home, and then they can use it in there as inserts in their planner, or they can just have their own planner because it's at 800 pages. But if you're new to this, just know, or if you're new to creating digital products, definitely check out, I have another video. It doesn't really go into the whole tutorial, but I really like Canva for creating these digital products because Canva is beginner friendly. But if you're gonna start with digital products, just know these are competitive, but like I said, right now everything on Etsy is competitive, but it's not like you're gonna make no sales. So think about what kind of digital product you'd like to do. It doesn't have to be planners. It could be a meal planning schedule, a monthly or a weekly, and then you can just sell that for $5 and see how you like selling digital products or digital kind of planning things on Etsy. But like I said, this video, I just gave you 10 really good small business ideas for creatives, for women, for moms who just want to work at home and make some extra money from the comfort of your own laptop. Definitely try one of these out. Let me know down in the comments which one that you've already tried or which one you're gonna try now that you've watched this video. And don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I hope this helped you out. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.